Hey guys, Gabe from Donley Port of Mount Vernon. Here I have this beautiful blue Indigo Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat REDEYE. It's a vehicle many people's dreams. Come along with me and I'll show you why some of the features on this vehicle are on people's top 10 list of vehicles they must have. The main thing that brings attention to these vehicles is obviously the 6.2 liter V8 supercharged engine. For the Hellcat version, you get 797 horsepower and then 707 foot-pound of torque. 0 to 60 in about 3.4 seconds. This thing is a thrill to drive. Another nice thing about this vehicle is obviously this nice red leather interior. You got these nice bolsters that keep you hugged in for when you're going fast or on the track. You do have these nice paddle shifters. Another nice thing about this vehicle is it does have the SRT button here. What that button will do is customize your driving experience here from your launch control settings to different drive modes, from your transmission, traction, suspension, to steering. All that stuff can be customized to your personal driving experience, which makes it nice. A lot of nice touch points in this vehicle as well. So if you or somebody you know is looking to have a blast this summer and something fun to drive, stop out today and discover the Donley difference.